Hello, my name's Des Watkins and I'm the Managing Director of Watkins Steel. We're a very traditional steel fabrication company based on the north side of Brisbane, started by my father back in 1968. And along the journey, which is now 54 years, I was always of the mindset that you couldn't innovate steel fabrication, that you were just a traditional industry, that you just worked on man-hours per tonne and price. The journey started back in 2013 when one of our key employees, Andy Irwin, approached me and suggested we start our digital journey.
My name's Andy Irwin. I'm Chief Technology Officer for Holovision. I started with the Watkins Group back in 2003 and I've had various roles within the company over the years, but the major part of my contribution has been the digitisation strategy within the company, and that includes taking on board the laser scanning and total station for robotic layout, helping to introduce drone scanning, 3D photogrammetry, augmented reality and virtual reality applications within the business. We have many varied customers, everything from a residential build to full facility scans for design engineers. We also do scanning within the movie industry. Coming from a steel fabrication background, it's a very traditional industry. We found there was a lot of human error in gathering measurements from site. So with the use of laser scanning, that really takes that element of risk out of the project, as the scanner captures everything that it can see in a line of sight. So it not only captures the information that you need, but it captures the complete site environment.
The biggest advancements in Watkins Steel was the introduction of robotics in 2014. But the robotics was only as good as the information we're feeding it. We upgraded our steel detailing software, but that was only as good as the information we're giving that. You can get every possible conceivable length, measurement, surface area, gradient, quadrants, whatever from site. That's where CRKennedy came into it with the laser scanning. By accurately turning a site into a digital footprint, we had all the measurements that we needed. By utilising digitalisation and automation, we've taken somewhere between 3,000 to 5,000 man-hours per month out of the factory.
So with the 3D laser scanning, our typical workflow is to go to site, capture the data and tie that into survey control with our Icon ICR80 total station. We use that machine to bench our scans into survey coordinates so that we can accurately understand the site and overlay that with survey, so the data's accurate. It's on the same coordinate system as the builder. When we get back to the office, we can be confident that that data is aligned correctly and QA'd to a level of accuracy that is required for the site.
Holovision is the company that has built up the relationship with CRKennedy and using the Leica products. But rather than just being a steel fabrication company limited to southeast Queensland, we've now got Holovision in Melbourne, we've got Holovision in Mackay, and we've got Holovision in Darwin. And each office is growing. And I think before too long, Holovision is going to be bigger than Watkins Steel. And it's not just the scanning. What we have found is that the laser scanning is the underlying platform that we've now been able to feed into virtual reality and augmented reality. And it's opening up these whole new fields, which I think is just an exciting future. The other thing that really excites me is with a staff of about 100, there's about 20 people that are doing jobs that didn't exist not that long ago. Now we're starting to look for new animators, robotic engineers, and I just think that the path that we're on, Holovision is going to grow bigger than Watkins Steel. By embracing the relationship with CRKennedy and their expertise, I've given the authority to all of my staff. If they wanted to purchase any new equipment, there's two questions. Will it either make us or will it save us the value of that equipment? And inevitably, the answer is always yes. The value is not just in buying a Leica product. The value is the relationship with CRKennedy. And it's no coincidence that this journey for us started in 2015 and we've been growing by 20% year on year. This year, we've grown by 50%. We're about to move into an 8,000 square metre factory, and we have to keep our old factory because of the rate of growth. And what we are finding is that we're upskilling our existing staff as well. So all of our staff now are learning how to laser scan, and they're also learning how to import that into other platforms like virtual reality and augmented reality, and we're finding other areas of value.
One of the point of difference for the Watkins Group and Holovision is our engagement with our customers. Going that extra mile to help our customers take on board this new technology, making sure that they've got the exports in a data format that's usable within their software, and helping them along their journey helps to build that relationship and that trust between companies.
What really excites me about the future for Watkins Steel and Holovision is traditionally we're a steel fabrication company based in southeast Queensland. I never thought we'd be interstate. And now we're scanning things and we're working on other projects that've got nothing to do with steel. From scanning ships in Darwin to movie sets in Melbourne, now we've even got jobs in New Zealand. It looks like we've got our first job in America. And this morning we're even discussing a partnership with an Indonesian company. So from humble beginnings, thanks to CRKennedy, we're now going overseas. And I'm so excited by it.
For more information about our services or how we can help your next project, go to holovision.com.au. Lodge a request and we'll get in touch as soon as we can.